and here in North Carolina. So I got a message from someone saying that they wanted to see how I come down. So what you do is you pull out your guided glide or your pull-up rope, however you call it. Pull it out, pretty easy. Just drop it to the ground. All right. What you do is connect to behind the knot. Make sure that it's connected. Pull off your tether locker, which is literally what it means. It locks in the tether. Slowly pull down and pull off. Slowly start to move down. Slowly. And as I pull up, it extends. So the moment I pull down, I keep my other hand on the right side to control the slack. Now I come down to about where my one stick is. Either you can rappel down and bounce off, or you can pull down to the side of the tree like that. Now reach down and grab my stick. Be quiet. We're still hunting. So now I have a stick in my hand. I'll slowly let it down. With my guiding glide still connected, I slowly rappel down. As you can see, I can stop. Now I'm down. And now that's it. So next thing we do, try to position this. It comes down to the ground. And that's it. I'll wrap this up and head out of the woods.